Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your account on BrightAs. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in BrightAs login. As the search results, in the first option, you can see the website of BrightAs. Click on the website or you can type in login. Bright.com. It will take you to the login portal of Bright. Over here, it asks for your email address. Enter your email address in the email address section. In the password section, enter your password of the account. To confirm your password, you can click here on the eye icon. Once you do that, click on Login. You should be signed into your Bright account. In case if you guys forgot your login credentials or password, you can click here Forgot Your Password to reset it. Or you guys can also sign in with Apple, Facebook, Google, or Microsoft by clicking on these respective buttons over here. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, hit the bell icon for the latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.